Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I have a small refresh to share with you. I called it refresh because I'm trying to kind of change the color of a couple of items in my apartment, make them look different by just refreshing the color with paint. And this item is the first one. I almost started the top part. The leaves are kind of shiny green and the whole thing is black, and I'm trying to change the color of the black into light green with this oops paint, as they call it, because some people that make a mistake by deciding about the color they want to use and then it turns out it's a wrong color, they return it and the store calls it oops paint, and you may get it with a cheaper price at Lowe's. I guess Home Depot has it too. So I got this one at Lowe's and it's green color, light green, and I think it will look better, the green with the green. And besides, I don't have any black decorative items around my apartment, so this was the only one, and I want it to become green as well. So this will be the first item I'm refreshing for today, and it's a series. I'm gonna share the second item with you in my next video. So I already did the bottom, now I'm starting from the top parts. And don't forget to put something on the bottom, whatever you're painting, so the paint doesn't drop on the floor. I'll show you the end result soon. And by the way, the good thing about this paint is that you don't need to use any primer or anything. It's just water-based paint. Attaches to any type of surface. I try to use this even on plastic, it still stays. And here is my green flower pot vase. The only thing left is to paint the leaves that look a little bit yellowish green, and I have some paint in some areas that got on top of the leaves, but that's okay because I'm going to nail polish the leaves and hope that the final look will surprise me as well. So now it's yellowish green, and after the painting it turned to shiny darkish green like this one, but it's better on the metal. Here it looks totally different, and I love the final result of my flower pot stand. Hope you like this refreshing project, and if you like it, go ahead and go and dig in your closets and see what you can paint for your own household. And thanks for staying with me till this moment, and see you in my next video. Love everybody. Bye bye.